That's the flavor he was looking for. This dog isn't just going for a ride. He's leading the operation.
Did you see that?
Reload.
Proof that size has nothing to do with gym. They took one look and said, yeah, we see it. This might be the best thing you could ever buy for your dog.
On your marks. Get set.
If you love animals, don't forget to hit that like button.
What do you call a dog that's playing?
With a helper like this,
Look at the, oh, look at that.
Devon, you want to play a game?
What? These gentle giants were made for swimming, not jumping. New mouth guard just dropped.
What do you have? You know you get.
Bro, I never said you was going with me, dude. Bro, I didn't say that.
Huh? You're so squinty. You're so squinty. You're so happy.
get off. Get off. I will get off.
Ryman.
Oh my god.
This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills? Huskies have a very unique idea of comfort.
Capper, what do you have?
When dogs care about something, they don't.
Oh, go away.
Those are definitely affection levels he did not ask.
Excuse me. Excuse.
But Woodsy clearly knows what he's doing.
With existing skills, small barriers to go upstairs can't be too difficult for them.
He's completely wiped out after a full day of zoomies. Oh my goodness. Look at that smile.
Guys, come here.
USA.
There's a wall.
Embracing destiny and delighting in it is likely the approach that this puppy's taking.
One. Now that's a wild ride in every sense.
I was looking at it. I got it.
Caught in the act of pure friendship. From nap mode to turbo mode in 1 second.
Daddy. ¿Qué hace ahí, niño?
Give it.
What are you doing?
Janie, what are you doing?
Someone just couldn't wait for Christmas morning.
Did you get into the Christmas presents?
Needs reality TV when Huskies deliver the most dramatic performances daily.
Say, I love you. About to lose it. Why would you do this? Why would you do this?
I ain't gonna lie, me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, oh.
Louie, what'd you do?
Somebody's very proud of himself.
What'd you do?
Sonríe, papi.
Sonríe, sonríe.
If you love...
What's that? What's that?
Get it, good boy. All right.
Excuse me.
It's my feet, AJ.
This glass is cut through glare, so you can see what's hiding below. She just needed that one perfect angle.
Yo, how long is this spider gonna last in the water? Oh my god, no!
He's got her on. He's got her on.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time. and stay awesome.
That's when you got a friend right there. Our blue healer.
This dog takes loyalty to a whole new level, becoming the...
Let it go.
You're so talented.
That's bothering her more than it should.
Does he have the wrong shoe on?
Amor.
Watch your feet.
Aí ela foi, mano. Aí ela foi. Pega ela aí, mano.
Georgia, who did this?
She's clearly innocent,
Georgia,
just terrible at hiding it.
did you do this? Georgia, did you do it?
Nico? No.
Mustard. Boy, good. Now, and maybe some ketchup too.
Here's something cool. Hermit crabs don't grow their own shells. They borrow them and switch as they grow.
Oh! Oh my god.
Filthy. And like he's really down there, like we literally just got home. I just took him out there so he could.
Sniff mission aborted.
Oops. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you fucking did it.
You already know where this is going.
No.
Yay!
Is the next stop nuggets? Is it? Is it really? Somebody knows we're at the window.
I found this furry loaf.
Yeah, he definitely wasn't involved.
Let's stop. I'm destroyed right now. Oh, no, Ellie, you have to stop now. You're gonna learn.
Maybe say sit?
No, it's not.
No! Go, 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 go!
Some dogs just can't resist a good mud bath.
This is the face that gets him snacks. Lots.
If you've got a golden retriever, share your funniest story in the comments.
Right to your door. Order
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
Okay, don't tell her.
See even more amazing animal moments. See you soon, and stay awesome.
No, Laura.
Fucking light straight?
Maddie, can I get an hour?
He knows exactly what he's doing. Jack Russell personality trait.
Así acá.
Oh my god. Are you?
What are you looking for?
No, you wanted to be a husky.
Looks like we've got a possum fitness influencer here.
Nice. Frankie, it's Daddy.
Ah, are you gonna bite me? Jorge, get off the table.
I know how to get you. Alright, Zena, do you want to go for a shower?
Playtime it is.
When the world has entered the modern era, cats can also repair electricity.
Are you hungry?
Dad's trying to outrun his responsibilities.
Honestly, I don't even trust myself with one glass.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Yeah.
The seat he chose today seems special.
Imagine explaining to your insurance that a monkey stole your license plate.
Oh.
heartwarming family dinner.
Hi, Ralphie.
What are you doing?
Jesus, Tina. Oh my.
Looks like the start of a new friendship. Looks like the mechanic's on duty.
Oh, Henny baby. What?
What do you have to say for yourself?
And we're going to hear about how their dream home became.
I know.
This cat's got the system figured out.
What? I know.
Her tail's about to take off.
Aren't you? Smell it. Smell it.
Jackie, side seam of the sermon.
He heard you. He just does.
What are you doing?
Was that comfortable? Your feet aren't even touching.
Let go.
Protecting that pizza slice like her whole life depends on it.
To these little ducklings, the dog means so much more than just a friend. He's become their family.
Excuse me! No!
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You.
I'm sorry.
He just made a new best friend.
Look, you guys.
Hello. Hello.
Alright, buddy, wait until I say go, okay?
I wanna kill my mom. What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad.
This your favorite show? Look at them, y'all watching Zootopia. Soft ass dog. My fault, right?
She's apparently being very quiet. Maybe she knows we're going to the VET this morning. Oh, look at that face. I guess.
You said the wrong word.
I guess she could.
Just want camera footage. Oh, you got a brain cell today. Nope.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that.
Good boy. Are they hissing at you?
Looks like this dog is in desperate need of a toy.
I'm gonna sneeze.
This looks like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Wait, really?
Can you do that?
He seems to have found his own mask.
I don't even have to spray it and already look at her. Now what? But like, why? Why does she act like that? She's not.
Ready?
You getting tired? Past your bedtime? Oh.
That is definitely something.
And there he is.
I ain't never in my life.
Everything was fine for exactly 3 seconds.
Dobby, what the
Are you kidding?
Joy!
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
What is that, pretzel? Am I about to get shot?
With all that energy and drama, they still managed to
Look at his twerk.
brotherly love with a little bite.
Hey.
Oh, did she say hi?
Lazy doggo knows snow days are for chilling.
Oh God.
What? He redesigned the whole house using only muddy paws.